Hello, everyone. So, the past couple days, I've kind of gone on a tangent learning about custom WordPress themes and also a little bit of PHP because you have to use PHP to combine the two. So, I'm on my local server. I downloaded WordPress to my computer rather than paying to sign up to use it online. So, this is a dashboard for WordPress. And if you hit Appearance, click on Themes, Theme Details. Look at that. That's me. Now, this is just on my local server. Like, if you log on to WordPress, you won't see it. Eventually, you will because I hope to finish a theme. I don't know how that works. But anyway, so let's look at the live site. And here you go. Now, if you notice a little me right here, it actually is the name of the page, which I don't want it to be there. You have to use like a while loop to get the content from WordPress. So whatever a user types will basically be injected into the code that you wrote. So like it's dynamic data basically. And for whatever reason, whenever I try to implement this function, I kept getting an infinite loop. So it would literally say art meets code 1,000 times. It would just keep running until I exceeded the call stack. So until I figure it out, it's just going to say home right there. About page, nothing is there. It just says it's the about page, contact, same thing, back to home. But what's cool is go back to pages. The home page is the page with the black and white split. So for most people, me personally, I didn't know exactly all WordPress include. I thought it was really just drag and drop, but I was so wrong because there's so much more to it. So I'm just going to type HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, hit update. Now, this is the version of WordPress you see like when you log on to WordPress. Like say somebody who doesn't know anything about coding, they just the drag and drop, I guess, quote unquote, is what most people think WordPress only is. So if you go back to the site, look at that. So the way themes work, you create like the shell of the website, and then there's a whole bunch of WordPress functions that you inject into your with PHP, and they basically pull whatever the user types in the box, even down to like adding images and all that, which I haven't got that part down. We just got text, one thing at a time. But yeah, so basically whatever they type in will be displayed on the screen. And that's what makes a theme rather than hard coding it. Like here, take a look. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, I have two monitors and it keeps open on the other monitor. All right, so the front page. So here, this H2 is a WordPress function called the content. It literally does what it says. It gets the content from the page. And the post where it says home, that's the post title. But whenever I omitted this line, the while loop just kept running forever. So got to find out like how you go about not showing the title, or if you just, I don't know. Anyway, but yeah, interesting to see how it all works, and I definitely want to keep learning about it. By the way, to make this split screen, I thought you had to like do some complicated thing where you had to add two divs, but here, let me show you. Go to Style CSS, and this is the hero. So that background is actually a linear gradient, and you just pick your two colors, and black 0%, black again 50%. That basically tells you what portion of the width of the page do you want to be this color. So I wanted to take up from starting at 0 to 50% of the page, and then white starts 50% to 100% of the page. Now, this text, to get this text to basically alternate based on the color of the page, like you see a little bit here, like the little curve of the S is black right here. What you do is, where's it at? Mix blend mode difference. And what that does is basically, if the text overlaps and the background changes colors, make the color the opposite of whatever the background is. And that's all you do. Thanks for watching.